Good evening friends, welcome to another video of Market Profile Engineer. As always I tell, this is just a journaling video and it is only for educational purpose. As per my long-term activity record, as this day was a wider value area, it was overlapping previous day value area and the volume was high, and as the overlap was there, it is indicating a moderately weak trend. So we need to yet confirm for a confirmation for a directional conviction. So I was expecting a neutral to a non-trend type of a day. So it was somewhat similar to that. Market opened inside the value area. It tried to oscillate around in that range, and initially CPRED took the IB high, but as my conviction was that it will be a neutral type of a day, I thought that will be the maximum, maybe that will be the maximum movement and it will come down, and it came down in the B period, and it took the IB low in the E period, and again it oscillated in that range, and only towards the end of the day there was a spike. So our conviction was very good till the ending hour. So I was expecting it to be a bracketing kind of a market. So uh, yesterday it was a selling day. Even though it was a gap down, the buyers took control. So my conviction was that I won't go for a selling. Rather I'll do for a buying. That too in the where I thought the bracket might have ended. That is the range of that E period low. I was looking for a trade to buy a call, and I took a trade. And as my conviction was that it was a neutral day, I don't expect to go for a big trade, so I was planning for a just few points. So once I got a confirmation in my as per my strategy, that is that Bollinger Band broken by a red candle, and the consecutive candle is a green, it breaks higher of that Bollinger Band, I'll enter a trade. So in this today my trade was my entry was at around 254 and stop loss was around 241, and I kept a small target of 10 points, that is 264, but I took two quantities, and what I did was I exited one quantity at 264 and I trailed the stop loss from 241 to 252, that is just a 2 point loss, and I thought I will ride the market. If I get a as per my conviction, if it comes to the top of that bracket, I could get somewhere near to that C period high, so I can get a big ride. But unfortunately that did not happen. It took away the stop loss. But again, as I was expecting it to go till the C period, I thought this trend will continue to in a upper. So again I took a trade somewhat around that point itself, 251, and this time I kept the target at 241, and I kept stop loss at 241, and I kept the target to 278. So I thought I will stick on to my plan, because as I told that book written by Tom Hookards, that is the best loser wins, it clearly indicates that we should take a trade which we have a maximum conviction. So I was pretty sure that trend will continue till the C period. So I kept my target at 278, but when I saw a good ride happening till 266, and when it was trading around that time, I had a good profit. So again, I did not go for that maximum profit. I just booked the profit and came out. But as per the book and as per the author, he clearly states that we should ride a day which is giving a good trend, and we should add on quantity, not in the equal but at least a half quantity we have to add at every rise, so that we can get a very good points in that ride, and we should trail the stop loss so that our risk is very low. But today I just tried to uh, see that whether I have that confidence. But today also I did not have that confidence to take the entire gain which I expected. Actually, it went till there, and I could have got that profit, but later on it came down. But that profit which I set was that mid level of the Bollinger Band. So it exactly hit there and it came down. So I could have done that, but since my conviction was it kind of a bracket type of a day, I did not go for it. So anyway, it was a profitable day for me. So this is the mindset, was disciplined, and my stop loss, everything was low. So I had a good risk to reward ratio, and second trade also I have done based on that order, and I tried to replicate his view, but my mindset is not still ready, so I was not able to take that profit. And tomorrow I can share my screenshot how disciplined I am while seeing it around 40% win rate only I am having, but my risk to reward ratio is around 3 is to 1, and I had made a profit out of 10 trades. Only 4 trade was in a winning position, remaining 6 was in a losing position, and my maximum win was around average win rate is around winning amount is around 1200, and average losing amount is around 300. So I kept a 3 is to 1 risk reward ratio. So till day I am being disciplined, and I hope this can be taken forward. Thank you.